Hi, this is David at Stoneyard.com. I wanted to show you that we do a lot of in-house maintenance. In this particular case, we're rebuilding the bottom half of this 3-yard bucket. He just put a piece of steel on, and then he'll be putting another piece of steel, which will be the bottom cutting edge. But after a few years of using this bucket, it's worn down and it needed a little tune-up. So we've got the inside looking pretty good. Now we're just doing the bottom and put the cutting edge on, and we'll be good to go. If you're looking for stone, we have it and we can help you. So this is David at Stoneyard.com.